Welcome to Impact. In this video, you're going to learn how to triage and diagnose an incident using Instance Observer. Instance Observer is a powerful tool that you get access to through the Impact app. It's an observability platform for your ServiceNow instances that can help you identify and troubleshoot incidents and performance issues. We'll show you exactly what you can do when an incident comes up so that you're able to swiftly understand what's going on and take steps to fix it. If you're brand new to Instance Observer, we recommend checking out our video on getting started with Instance Observer before watching this one. Let's start out with a scenario where you've got an incident that's affecting many users. You'd probably either be notified of this from one of your pre-configured alerts in Instance Observer or from one or many of your users. Of course, a key step that you'd probably take in this scenario is to raise a case with ServiceNow, but you can use Instance Observer to pull together key information about what's potentially wrong that can either help you fix the issue yourself or give you the right metadata to help get your case to a faster resolution. To get started, you'll want to start off in your Impact workspace. From there, go to Platform Health, where you'll click on Monitor in the dropdown. This will open a new tab where you can log into Instance Observer using your ServiceNow login. Your first line of defense is to use the Triage module to get a single pane of glass view of all the key metrics that could be triggering the issue on your instance. Once you navigate to the Triage page, go ahead and click on the Triage button. Note that you're limited to 10 uses of the Triage button every 24 hours. Triage gives you a point-in-time snapshot of 6 key areas. You can see how long specific transactions or jobs have been running. You can see if a specific node, job scheduler, or semaphore is overloaded or at close to capacity. And you can also get a view of your recently deployed update sets. Each of these tiles also allow you to dive deeper into each area to get additional information. Based on this information, you should be able to get a sense for if there is a clear red flag that needs to be further investigated, and you can take further steps to dig in using performance metrics. Most of what you see in Triage has a related tab in the performance dropdown. For transactions, transactions and response times. For jobs, job details. For servlets, node health. For schedulers, the schedulers tab. And for semaphore sets, a semaphores tab. So for example, if you notice that a specific transaction is running for a very long time when you triage, you can go over to transactions and response times. You can then filter down to a time horizon that makes sense, and then click on Get Snapshot. From there, you can look for spikes in user transaction count or server response time, and view the specific transactions and jobs that are related to the spikes to cross-check if it matches with the transactions or jobs that were flagged in your triage. Once you've determined the root cause of the issue, you can take the step to either fix the issue on your own, for example, by killing the transaction on your instance that appears to be stuck, or you can submit a case and leverage the information that Instance Observer provides you to populate the case with the information that your support account manager can leverage to get your issue resolved faster. Now let's discuss an issue where a small handful of users are coming to you with a minor issue. Let's say data was loading slowly in a specific page a few hours back, but it seems to be okay now. However, you want to take a look at what potentially went wrong. You can use our performance dashboards here as well. For example, you can check out database performance and get a snapshot for the last 12 hours. You can then see that there were large spikes in database response times in the morning, and you can dive into the specific transactions or jobs to diagnose what could have caused the issue. Now that you've learned how to triage and diagnose incidents with Instance Observer, you're all set with the tools you need to keep your instance running so that you can move faster and focus on driving value for your enterprise with ServiceNow. Thanks for watching.